What's happening, everybody? We're back. It's going to be an awesome weekend. We finished all the Pete Hager stuff a couple weeks ago now. But what's happening this weekend is I've got to load that up. I've got to load all the gear up. And I've got to load the cooler and that little quad up because we're going to Lake Havasu for round 9 of WORCS. It's the last race of the year. I can't wait to do this because I get to do the iconic lagoon jump. They've been building it, they've been posting it, WORCS Racing been posting it on Instagram, and I'm just watering at the mouth to go do this. So I gotta get all this stuff loaded up, wait till the Suburban gets home so I can hook up the trailer, and then we're gonna head out, and I will see you guys tomorrow for my race. I've also got Alicia racing, so now she's gonna be on a 400EX running her own race for the first time ever, so we'll see how that goes. But good luck to her. We're gonna get her ready, make sure she's good to go, and I'm sure she's gonna do fine. So come with us, this is gonna be awesome. All right, good morning, good morning. We made it. We're in Lake Havasu. As you can see, we have everything ready to go. What I need to do this morning, it's about 8:30. I think it's about 8:30. Yep, 8:30 in the morning. We're gonna head over to the track and we're gonna get the wife and son registered because they want to race this morning. So the boy just felt motivated, so we're gonna get him into a race and see how he does. And he's gonna be on that little guy right there. He's gonna do fine. He's a little ripper. So come on with us. And then once my race starts, which isn't until like 3 in the afternoon, I'll have you guys with me, but hopefully I can get a camera on the wife and see how she does too. So stick with us. All right, we gotta hurry up and get over to the fence because our buddy Kenny's about to start. He's trying to MC this weekend, so let's get over there. So Kenny's riding an old, what was that year? 96? 96 CR250, so we'll see how he does. What does everybody else think? Yeah, 125.
No, it's a 125.
Yeah, 125.
I thought you said 250.
She ain't that quick. Never mind, I did say 250. Yeah. It's not a 250, it's a 125. So we're gonna hear the bees a-buzzing as he comes around. Let's go, Kenny! Let's go, follow me. All right, we got Valen in 50cc 4 to 6. Gonna be starting on line 5. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I'm so excited. Yep, I put air in those tires. Are you ready to go racing today? You gonna have fun? Yeah. Gonna be racing with your friend? Yeah. Go fast. All right, bud. Ah! Ready? Go! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! There you go, Valen. Good job. There's more money in that TRX 90 than we have combined in our two machines.
Lots and lots of dollars.
Lots and lots of dollars.
Cost more than my full bike and motor.
Yeah, Jordan! On the gas. Are you excited? Yes, no. It's gonna be fun, I swear, I promise. Okay. All right, we've got Women's C and 30C. So the guys are gonna race 30C. We got all the girls running 30, or Women's C, sorry, Women's C. So they're about to take off here at about 1:45. So we're gonna get them to the starting line and then we should see that happen. Alicia's riding a twist throttle 400 EX, so I think she's gonna have a good time. It feels weird, but the twist throttle actually should be easier. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah! Yeah, Travis! Yeah! Our boys are running 1 and 2 right now on a hole shot for 30C, so we'll see how they finish out. Let's get to the win. Let's go, ladies!
remember? I was doing that for like half the season.
Hey, that still sucks though. Dude, get away from it as fast as you can. Woo. That was a lot worse than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, it's got gnarly now. Hey, well, you guys did smooth out the course from the bikes earlier.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. But it's all cool. How was your start anyway?
Oh, the start was awesome. Took off like a bat out of you-know-what. And didn't realize how choppy that corner was until I was already in it. And then from there, just hammered down and tried to scout from. Okay, just got done. Ran production C, got the whole shot, and stayed out front the whole time. Came in first, won the race, last race of the year. But I'll tell you what, when they say that this track gets rough out here in Havasu, they are not kidding. It gets so deep, so fast. The whoops are like 4 feet deep, and there's rocks everywhere, and there's sand. Tried the lagoon jump first lap, barely made it. Wasn't gonna do it again, there's just too much sand. But that was a hard fought race. Had an awesome day, I think. Travis and Justin came in second and third in open C. And yeah, we crushed it today. So I'll talk to you guys once we get back and unload. And then we got banquets tomorrow, so stay tuned. What race is going on right now?
Pro 2.
Pro 2? Oh, okay.
Pro Lights.
Pro Lights?
One of them.
Sick. Pro Lights are going. It's all bikes right now. But then we got Kenny going today for our 30A. You won Blythe. What'd you do in Prim? Because you ran Pro-Am in Prim.
Yeah, I got a DNF from 38 because I pulled off early.
All right, but taking the LTR out, and he's gonna go rip it up. They groomed the track for him, so he's welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah.
But he's gonna go rip it up, so let's go check that out. Nice ride. Nice ride. Okay, so just left the finish line. I was down there watching the pros go. They're running right now. Kenny won his A race, so good on him. I think he won the championship for the year. I'm gonna go back and get some things together. I gotta go return my transponder before I get charged for it. But it's been a hell of a weekend. It has been pretty awesome. Bo's out there right now. I think he was leading for a little bit, but I think Mike Sloan passed him and is flying. The dude's whipping the tabletop. It's nuts. Unfortunately, nobody's jumping the lagoon jump. I jumped it yesterday, first lap. It was rough. You can't get any momentum because of the berms and the whoops and then the sand. Pinned out in third and I could barely make it over. So everybody's hitting the bypass or just driving down through the lagoon. They're not actually jumping it. So fortunately I couldn't get a whole lot of that. You'll just see my camera view, but yeah, I'll get back with you guys once we get everything loaded up. All loaded up. Turn out the lights, the party's over. Justin, anything? How bad was that?
It sucked.
That was a rough 2 days.
That was a rough Monday. We only rode once.
This guy ran 2 races within an hour of each other, because that's an intelligent thing to do.
It was the smartest in the world, man.
And that track was way worse yesterday than it was today. They groomed it out last night, so all the pros and the A-class riders got a nice, sweet groomed track. But all of us were in 4-foot deep whoops the entire way. You couldn't even get to jumps because there was no run-up left. Everything was just chewed up. So today is definitely a lot faster. I got some good footage for you guys. Justin, did you win?
I won
what
the
class?
Open C Championship.
Okay, what about Travis? Was that the 30C?
Travis won the 30C and then came in third in the championship for
Open C.
Open, and I came in second for the championship for 30.
Nice. That's a good way to end the year.
Yeah.
Sick.
Not
Hey, give me some for that.
High five.
Some skin. Well done, dude. And of course, I didn't get any championship points. Well, I got points, but I didn't win any championships. I only raced twice. But yours truly, first place this weekend in Production C. So next year, I'm thinking about moving up to Production B. So be there for that. I'll catch you guys later.